2, 3. Throw. One, 2, 3. Go pick it up and throw it to this side. This side, okay? Yeah. And pick it up and throw it to wherever you want to. Yay. Throw. Hello paper airplane pilots around the world. And today I would like to share with you guys a new cool long distance paper airplane. This paper airplane is my new design and it flies very far. I will need you to help me to test the paper airplane out. So let's fold the paper airplane, test it out, and comment below. Let me know how it's worked for you. If it's worked so well for you, why not like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for the newest tutorial. So now let's begin. To make this paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work well too. Now, first step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Then unfold the paper. On the following step, let's start from this upper edge, fold to this side, and then unfold, then start from the upper edge again, fold to the other side. So now, let's do it. Alright, now let's unfold the paper. Start from this upper edge again, fold to this side. Now, let's unfold the paper. On the following step, let's start from this corner, fold straight to the center crease. Same thing. Start from this corner. When you fold it to the center crease, let's make an diagonal fold straight to this corner. Okay, so let's do it this way. Adjust the paper a little bit like this. Once you finish this side, repeat the same fold for the other side. Make sure that both sides are even, so I have to fold this one in just a little bit more. Alright, so perfect. Now both sides is even. Just a little bit more. Adjust it just a little bit more. Okay, here we go. So on the following step, let's start from this upper edge, fold straight to the intersection of the center crease and the cross here. So let me do it. Press it down there. And then fold this piece of paper down again. Use the center crease as a reference when you fold this step. I will adjust it a little bit more. Okay. And press the paper down. Once you fold both sides of the paper, now let's start from both sides of the paper. Fold is to the center crease. make sure that you leave a small gap between the edge and the center crease. And when you fold to the center crease, this paper may be moved a little bit. That's why you need to hold it. Okay. I finished this side, and now I repeat the same fold for the other side. And I leave a small gap too. And I press the paper down. Okay. So I may need to fold this one more. Press this down. Make sure that it stays nicely. Okay. On the following step, I will insert this part of the paper into this mini part of the pocket here or beneath this layer. So just hold this layer up and fold this one down. Adjust it until you reach to this edge. Alright, so it's look perfect. On the following step, repeat the same fold for the other side. Hold the paper up and then curve and then press and push and adjust the paper and then press and then press the paper down. Here we go. So we just finished the hardest step to finish the plan. Okay, so we just finished the hardest step of the paper airplane. Next step, let's fold the paper in half. Alright, so adjust the paper and press it down. This is a tricky fold as well. If you don't fold correctly, the plane may not fly well at all. Next step, I will estimate about 1 centimeter along this edge or almost half of an inch along this edge. I will start from here. Or maybe I just hold the paper like this with my finger and fold this side of the paper down. Okay. When I fold this part of the paper down, I want to match this edge to this corner. So I cut the paper slowly until this edge matches to this corner. And then I can press down the paper. And I may have to adjust this a little bit here. Okay. Because now paper may be up a bit, but that should be okay. Okay, I will just adjust so that it stays nicely. Okay, once I finish one side, I repeat the same fold for the other side. Flip the paper over and I will adjust the paper. Adjust and fold. Curve the paper first and then match this edge to the edge of the other wing. This may not be even and this is not nice. So let's adjust the paper so that both sides are even. I will adjust this side as well. Okay, so it's look pretty good. Okay, press down the paper and fold it up. Here you go. So this is the new paper airplane. If you fold it perfectly, the plane will fly very well. Before you fly the paper airplane, make sure that you curl the wings up a little bit, okay? Otherwise, this won't fly well. Still have something wrong here. So I need to adjust it. Perfect. The end of the wings are curved up a bit. Why? It's made this plane fly far. First thing, there's no drag of the plane. There's very little drag of the plane. Look at this. The wings will flow up here and then go back. As well as this side, there's no drag. You see? The wings will go through here. At the end of the wings, we may need to curve it up so that the plane will fly straight up, okay? Here's a new paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this paper airplane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe. Finally, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Ready? This looks so cool, right? Let's check it out, guys.